What? What's going on?
There is an imposter among us!
What the fuck are you on about?
Follow me, bro! Bro, I swear, he was right there! He was right there! I'm telling you.
You sure you haven't tried out Terry's catnip?
Man, I know I ain't tripping. I literally saw an imposter right there.
What are you on about in this imposter thing? Like, is it someone that looks like you, someone impersonating you, or someone impersonating me? What's the imposter?
Bro, no, I'm not crazy. That was like an imposter. Like, it looked like a little miniature crewmate or something.
Whoa, yo!
Oh, someone call Mr.Bird!
You're going it out, bruh! It's okay, he's going it out. We're all safe.
Phew, that's a close one. I could have died.